Another month gone, another Inside Tegiwa video to hit the channel. So as always, let's get straight into it. Just like that, we're rounding up the month of September and heading into the final few months of the year. It's been a while since we've added any new brands onto our website, but September saw the catalogue of SPL suspension parts make an appearance to our brands section. From full racing to high performance street applications, SPL products provide adjustability and increased performance for custom alignment needs. Now moving on to our latest products, it's no surprise that we added more items for the GR Yaris. We listed Airtech's latest releases in the form of their air intake and oil cooler kit. The restrictive OEM airbox is replaced with a huge cotton filter housed in a laser cut heat shield to protect the intake from heat soak issues. Meanwhile, the oil cooler is designed to provide cooling efficiency for modified GR Yaris owners who struggle to maintain steady oil temperatures on track or during fast road use. The newly released HKS tyre totes include a set of 4 covers and 4 felt pads to keep your wheels and tyres protected while in storage or transport. Using the durable handle, each tote can carry a tyre up to 25 kilograms. Conveniently, the tyre totes have a storage pocket for lug nuts to ensure you have everything you need to enjoy your time at the racetrack. And some good news for the Honda fans out there, as Skunk 2 announced the first ever magnesium valve cover for the Honda K-Series engine. Weighing in at just a mere 2.75 pounds, it's 60% lighter than the OEM aluminium cover. Relocated mounting bolt locations, improved symmetry and clean, smooth curves come together, forming a low-profile design with more underhood clearance and enhanced visual appeal. The Skunk 2 mount valve cover kit is included, in addition to a specialised oil cap and oil dipstick. And during September, we unveiled our latest addition to the Tegiwa Fast Fleet. This came in the form of a Civic FN2, known at Tegiwa headquarters as FN 2.0. Since it's not our first rodeo with the FN2 chassis, when Luke used to pilot one way back in 2014. You can read all about the Pocket Rocket on our blog, which you can find the link to it in the description. Speaking of race cars, we made the trip down to Go Japan last weekend for the penultimate meeting of the 2021 Time Attack Championship. We also had a trade stand too, with our BTCC DC5 on display, which certainly helped to pull in the crowds. Our FN2 made its first outing in the Pro 2-wheel drive class, whilst our very own Mikey Birch had an eventful weekend to say the least.
All that stuff you are of course doing in the comfort of your home, garage, driveway, whatever. And in other words, the car is so called non-dynamic.
So that just about sums it up for the month of September. We're super busy preparing for all the stuff we have planned for October, including the return of VTech Junkies Meet on the 31st and our eagerly anticipating tyre test too. So as always, check out the description of all the products and videos mentioned, and I'll see you all in the next one. See you later.